Failing to plan is planning to fail. I saw some people shorting gold, but some people shorted gold here, 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 here. And now once they got it, they're like, oh, I told you to short gold. Like, okay, man, you short gold now? Well, good job. I'm looking to long gold, by the way. And if gold is holding above 3,250, so if gold is holding above this area, which I think is an important area, even if it's picking up some liquidity from the downside, I think that I'm going to look for a long on gold from here, from here, from here. Okay. I would love to see it hold above this area where it consolidated before the last breakup. But as long as it stays above 3,000, I would say this level from here, the previous all-time high, as long as it stays about 3,175, 3,180, this is a long directly, like a swing long. This is also a long, but after we recover, and if we bounce and we drop lower, and after that we recover again, from here, I'm going to look to long. Let's see, where is the moving average 200? Way lower, very, very bullish. And let's see if Ichimoku agrees with my plan. Yes, it does. Let me show you something very interesting. Remember my positioning here, right? And I said, listen, Ichimoku and the daily Kijun looks flat because the price went too fast to the downside, but we are still bearish, right? Like very, very bearish. However, we can go towards like 0.845, maybe even 0.85, right? Before we reverse. So the only thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to wait patiently to see where we're reversing because the Kijun is flat. However, all the conditions are still for bearish, and I'm going to look for a swing short. Look at the gold chart with with Kijun and with Ichimoku. The same type of scenario, but reversed. Imagine, look at these charts. Look at these charts. They are the same. So if here I'm looking to swing short, right? On this chart reversed, I'm going to look to also to swing short. What does it mean? It means that the price of gold went too fast to the downside, and the daily Kijun couldn't keep up, and now is acting like a price magnet. So for most likely, I'll do the same thing. So I'm going to reverse, and I'm going to leave the chart as it was. I'm going to look to swing long from here, so like somewhere from this area, the same area that I told you about before. So anywhere from that area. Let's say we're going to drop a little bit more. Very nice stop loss around this level, and I think it's going to be like a very nice 1 to 2 risk reward if we're going to get there, right? So somewhere around this level. Let's see. I'll see how the price will react, but I'm still very bullish on gold. And this is normal, shifters. This is normal. Look how much it grew. So 2 weeks, right? In 2 weeks, it went up 20% at this market cap. It went up trillions of dollars in market cap, trillions of dollars. It saw big flows. So normal, it's normal after like, and how much it grew from the beginning of the year, gold. Let's see, from the beginning of the year. 35% for an asset in the trillions of dollars, right? Of course, after such a big run, it's going to have like this kind of pullbacks. Remember when we were here, a lot of people said, oh, it's the top in gold. And guess what? It went up again. And they're going to say here the same. Oh, it's the top in gold. Most likely it's going to do the same thing. It's going to go up again. All in all, I'm looking to long gold. Anywhere. Where is the Kijun? Oh, even without knowing, Kijun was flat in my demand area. So happy times for me. Anywhere in this level, I'll look to long gold. Maybe like this, something. I'm gonna be very happy like this. 1 to 2, yes sir. Let's see. I'll just adapt on this. But as far as positioning, and I think a lot of you, this is why you are here. I'm looking to long gold on the next dip and on the next bounce.